you enjoyed together.
Then
But I think even you were working together. You and
for a short time. And we immediately decided that the better way was to work in different companies. So for us, at least, that was the right decision. Okay. So then you joined Computer Vision, which became Parametric.
Yeah, which became PTC.
Okay. So anything, and then that was the CAD.
Yes, that was a CAD
that was
company.
a CAD company.
Because sorry.
So and then after some time with the CAD companies, you actually joined Veritas, which was a non-CAD company. So
Yes.
tell us briefly about that journey.
Yeah, so CV was good because it was computer vision, and then PTC was easy, I would say, because I knew that whole domain quite well. And since we had developed the whole product from scratch, unlike most other people who were there in computer vision, except some few architects, etc., we knew, in fact, 2-3 of us joined from this company to that when we closed this. So we knew everything right from the scratch there, so, which was a good thing. It was good. I mean, it was good learning experience. We learned at that time importance of various other things like UI, importance of sales, and importance of managing your features and not having feature creep and so on. So all those things we learned. But I think I worked there for 4 years or so, and after that I decided to take a change. Not because I was not happy with the work, but there were other reasons. I said, okay, let me change this thing. I started looking around. I talked to Shirish, who's in fact my partner now in the current company, and he was partner in my previous company also. So he was heading Veritas India at that time.
Shirish Devdar.
Shirish Devdar. So during the interview, we developed some rapport. So Shirish felt that he was starting in Veritas, had just acquired two backup groups in US, and both of them did not have anything in India. And Shirish felt that maybe I can, though I had not done any backup product, he felt that maybe I can start the backup group related outsource work in India. So I joined Veritas, and which was a very good place to work because Veritas was growing very fast. It was a very exciting company to be in. Every day you will see the stock going up by at least 10 cents. So creates a lot of excitement. And it was very exciting for me because for the first time I got into sales again after EGS. Because these two groups that Veritas had acquired, they had never outsourced their work. Actually, it's not even outsourcing, offshore their work. It was their own company that they were giving work to. And Shirish told me it's your job to go to US and go to these two companies and try to get work. And so that was a good sales experience. And luckily I was successful in that. So that really gave me a lot of confidence for my next company. Where I did a lot of sales work of exactly the similar type, except offshoring. Instead of offshoring, it was fulfilled outsourcing. But Veritas was a very good.
Obviously, it turned out good, but while you made the change, was it not a worry that you're leaving your CAD background behind and moving to a completely different space?
Yeah, little bit. Domain was not that. Domain didn't really create so much of worry for me because after it's algorithms and so on, so you can manage it. The bigger problem was I have always done programming on Unix, C. Little bit C++ on big workstations, IBM, HP and so on. Here, the first set of projects that we were going to get was all on Windows. So though I joined there, by that time I had 12 years in industry and started building teams, started hiring, but I joined Seed. So it's a good advertisement for Seed, but I joined Seed to learn Windows environment, side by side. So then I can talk to my team in more intelligent way. I joined because Microsoft platform has much more than what standard C will have. There will be MFC classes. And, initially I was zapped when I started looking over what is all this. Where do you open the window? Where do you do all this? Because it's a completely different and sort of spoon-fed sort of environment that you have in Microsoft. But you need to learn to use that spoon.
No, I think that's a big, as an entrepreneur, having this humility to say that I've been here for 12 years, but still I need to learn this and I go join a Seed class.
Yes.
I think it's remarkable.
I decided to start fixing some of the simplest bugs along with my team for at least 2, 3, 4 bugs so that I know what my team is working on. Otherwise, how do I talk to them intelligently and say, look, this is what I think you can do. Now, you always have confidence after those many years that you can understand a problem. And there is computer science, there is absolutely no magic. If you follow the logic, you will do things well. You just need to know the tools. And I said, let's go ahead. I mean, now that you say it, I feel that okay, maybe that was a big thing, but that time it looked the most natural thing. If I need to manage a team, you can't really do that without knowing what it is.
Another thing about Veritas that I noticed, you mentioned Shirish Devgar,
Yes.
who's your partner till then.
Yes.
There's another partner, Hemant Joshi,
Yes.
who also you met in Veritas.
Yes, yeah.
Now, so that's again quite a remarkable thing. In an industry where partnerships break almost every day, you have been
Yes.
you formed this partnership in Veritas that
Approximately 99, right from the day I started working.
and
Now
you've done
been 15
few
years.
companies successfully now. The partnership still
Yes.
remains.
Yes.
Tell us the secret.
I think probably they will know the secret how they tolerate me. No, but I think the secret is that you have trust in each other. The biggest thing is, first of all, find a partner that you can trust. I think I can talk very easily with people, but otherwise all three of us, Shri, Hemant and me and some say not very outgoing sort of person. So when you find people that you like, you're a little bit more confident about this thing. And after that, you need to make an effort to trust each other, even if there is a small thing that you did not like and so on. Also, one thing that helped us is all three of us were grown up. I mean, everyone had 12, 15 years of experience, had done reasonably good things by that time. So you are confident of your own ability and you're not really competing with your partners all the time. You're confident about others' ability and you know the complementary skills, right? Who is able to do what. So, that really helped.
I think that's the mantra. You talked
Yeah.
about comfort, you talked
Yeah.
about trust, and
Yeah.
you talked about abilities.
Yes, complementary abilities. And even today we in fact fully utilize that part, that who does what part.
Excellent, excellent. Now, after that, you really started your own company, right? So-
Yes, yes. And in fact, I remember I was in a flight going to, things are working out very well. I mean, Veritas, I don't know how many of you know Veritas, now it is Symantec. Symantec, and it was absolutely the fastest growing company at that time. And even when I left, the company was growing very quickly. My team had grown, but again, that similar sort of thing, it just happens. There's nothing big or small in this. Like we were all three of us were small company people, Shri, Hemant, and me. And I was in a flight going for leadership conference in US somewhere, and Hemant was sitting with me, and I told Hemant that I have realized that my group is working so well, and my US counterpart is so easy that if I don't come to office for 2-3 days, no one will notice that I'm absent. And so it's time probably now to do something else. And Hemant was feeling the same. And yeah, we went and talked to Shirish. And Shirish also was by that time feeling, because he had already made and sold a company earlier, which became Veritas. In fact, it was acquired by Veritas itself.
Probably people know the story. A company called Frontier, which Shirish Devgar had founded.
Yes.
That actually became Veritas, right?
Yes.
Veritas started like that.
Yes. And so we said that okay, and the whole idea was things are working so well that this is, if we want to do something else, this is the time to do it. Just left Veritas and started in reality.
In reality, you have to explain the name. How did you get the name in reality? In reality was a very interesting name.
Yeah, very very interesting name, and not a very glamorous sounding name either.
It is. Why
No,
is
it was a different name. We just didn't want any name which will be, there's so many soft. Okay, X soft, this tech, that tech. We said, no, you have to sound different. People should remember your name, even if it is, even if people have question that why this name. And in fact, if they have question, they will definitely remember you. Why this? And we built our pitch also around that what we are telling, we are basically being very honest. What we say, we will in reality deliver exactly the same thing to you. We are not giving you any paperware. vaporware, and we are actually